Hello team, I created this virtual playbook so that way when you're at home or you're gone or something like that and we learn new plays, you can log into this and see a video of me explaining what's going on. For this first play that we're going to do, this is going to be Bulldog. 1's always going to be my point guard, 2's and 3's are my wings, and 4 and 5 are my post. So in Bulldog, the point guard starts with the ball, and they bring down the ball. The first thing that they're going to do is they're going to pass to a wing. It does not matter which side we're going, as long as they pass to a wing. It's our wing's job to get open. Then our point guard is going to run, and they're going to brush right through our post. This is our first option. If we can get a lane out of this, great. If not, they're going to exit out to the opposite corner. Then number 4, our post, is going to come set a ball screen for our wing over here. This wing is going to rip and go by. They're going to keep that ball with them. Obviously, that's not going to stay there. Okay, if that is not open, the pick and roll is not open, 4's roll into the basket. Okay, if that's not open, 5, our other post, is coming up to the top. We're going to swing the ball. The ball's going to come here. 2's going to go back to its spot. 4's going to go back to its spot. And 3 is going to cut through to the opposite side. 1's going to fill. That ball's going to be passed to 1. And that post is going to go set that ball screen. Again, their job is to rip and go to the basket. And 5 is going to curl. And this cycle repeats over and over again. And this play can be run through a million times if we needed to. It should be open on the 2 or 3 option. Okay. If this again not open, we're just going to start over that process. That post is going to pop up. We're going to swing it. 1 goes back to the wing. 5 goes back to the elbow. And this guard cuts through while this one fills, and then we have our screen and roll action happening again, and that is Bulldog. Alright, our next one is called UCLA. Alright, this play is designed to get a shot off for our point guard, and then if it doesn't work, we can go into Bulldog. Okay, so first thing, it looks just like Bulldog. It's set up just like Bulldog. That pass is going to happen. We're going to pass it over to our wing. The point guard is going to rub cut off of 4 just like they would in Bulldog. Okay? The post is going to go set a ball screen over to 3 for here our wing, and they're going to rip and go as if they were 2 in Bulldog. Again, our first option is that pick and roll. If it's there, great, use it. If not, our wing and our post are coming down to set a down screen for our point guard that's going to curl off of this for a wide open 3. Boom, 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 make that pass. Boom, our point guard scores it. Great. If it is not there, then we can jump just right back in to Bulldog, and then we can run Bulldog from here. This is UCLA. Alright, this next play is called Texas. This is like a play that will run at the end of the quarter to like wind up some clock. Okay, so it is set up in a 3 high. I have a post down here that's going to be posting back and forth. And then I'm going to have this baseline runner. 4 is just going to run baseline to baseline. They could be ball side, they could be not ball side. It does not matter. Okay, so what 1's going to do is 1, point guard, is going to dribble handoff over to a wing. Okay, remember when we dribble handoff, the person that is giving up the ball goes on the inside, and the person receiving the ball goes on the outside. So when that happens, they are going to dribble back up to the top, and we just set it back up. This wing can now dribble handoff to number 2. And they're going to dribble handoff. Now, our options are this 2 can go to the basket, just like a dribble handoff. 3 can roll, or if nothing's there, bring it back up top, and we are still set up in Texas. Dribble handoff this side, bring it back around, dribble handoff until you can score. It should only take 2 or 3 dribble handoffs before the defense gets lazy and you can score on it. Remember, 4 is just running baseline to baseline, and 5 is posting block to block. That is Texas. All right, this setup is Idaho. This is one of my go-to plays. It's one of my favorite. It is set up in a box, okay? And when I say my Idaho girl, like let's for example say Idaho Shakira, Shakira's going to go to the right hand elbow. When that happens, the ball is going to dribble over here, and they're going to dribble past the people, okay? This person is going to be my decoy. Number 4 right here is my decoy. We want everybody to think 4 is getting the ball. Once the ball is being dribbled back over, the ball is going to be dribbled back over, and their point guard and our 4 is going to run at the same time. This action right here is as 4 runs through this is a pinch screen. 3 and 5. It is your jobs to sell the crap out of this play. We want everyone to think number 4 is going to get the ball. We're going to pinch screen there, and 1's going to fake a pass to 4. 2 at that time is walking their girl up, and then they're going to go get a wide open lay-in like so. And that is Idaho. The next play I'm going to show you is called Arizona. Again, Arizona is a play that we will run if we really need to get a shot off or someone's hot. So for example, if I say Arizona Shakira, number 2, is going to go to the right hand block. Okay, number 1, our point guard is going to dribble over to the sideline. It is important that when that happens, they are keeping the dribble alive. Okay, they're dribbling. As soon as 1 goes, 5 is just kind of taking a step down, 4 is coming right behind, and they are going to be setting stagger screens for 3, who are going to be coming off this really hard and going for a lay-in, and 2, our Arizona girl, is coming off this hard to get a wide open 3. If the lay-in's not there, filter out the other side. Again, we're looking for this 3, but if it is not there, this post on this side gets to dive down to the basket, and we have a lay-in right there as well. So there are 3 options. The first curl lay-in, the 3 is what we're really looking for, and or the post dropping down low. This is Arizona. For my super hard-working post, this play is for you. This is called Georgia. Georgia is a one-on-one post-up. If I call a Georgia girl, it does not matter what side you go to, as long as the point guard acknowledges it. So let's say I call Georgia Beyonce, and Beyonce is number 5 right here. What has to happen is that the point guard has to make a pass to number 2. Number 2 is going to hold position on their girl and step out, and that pass is going to happen. As soon as that pass happens, 4 is going to the corner, 3 is going to the corner, 1's going to the opposite wing, and 5's got a one-on-one post-up. Beyonce's got a one-on-one post-up to score. If we don't score out of this, a great opportunity would be to go into 4 game. Let this person keep posting up. They can dribble exchange. They can set ball screens. It doesn't matter. This is Georgia. The next 2 are ones that we have not learned yet, but are going to be important sets in our playing. So if you start learning them now and we put them into practice here very shortly, it shouldn't be that difficult. This is power. Okay, what power is a ISO or a opportunity for 1 and 4 to go high ball screen. So what's going to happen is 1 is going to dribble kind of over to the side, over here. 3, our wing is going to the baseline, and 2 is actually just going to run straight across. 2 is kind of our decoy here. We want everyone thinking that we're going to 2 here. Okay, 5, you're just on the block here, kind of getting away from the block even, because we want this whole point, or this whole paint to be open. What's going to happen is 4 is going to come set a ball screen here for 1. 1's going to rip and go, and either 1 has a wide open lane here, or 4 gets a roll opportunity. If it's not there, 1 can pull it out, and we can be in a 4-game, 5-game, anything really from here. So again, this is power. Let me show you one more time. All right, again, this is power. So what 1's going to do is it's going to start up with the ball. 3 is going to shoot down to the corner. 5's just kind of stepping out and getting away. And 2 is our decoy. They're running right in front of 4. When they run right in front of 4, that is the cue to 4 to go set a ball screen. What 1's going to do is it's going to rip and go. Either go get a wide open lane. Okay. 4's rolling to the basket, and we can make that pass right there. And 4 gets a lane. And if anybody over here decides to help, we can dish out and get a wide open 3, a mid-range jumper, or a wide open 3. I love, love, love power. All right, last but not least, for now, is our last man set is what we are going to call organ. It's going to set up kind of in that box set that we are getting used to here. What's going to happen is it starts off a lot like Arizona, okay? And we're looking for this number 2 to get a 3 at the top, just like Arizona. So if I say Oregon, Shakira is going to get that 3, and she wants to be on that right-hand block. 1 is going to dribble over, just like they do in Oregon or in Arizona. But this is called Oregon. What's going to happen is 2 is going to go set a screen for 3 that is flaring out to this corner. We want that to be a decoy. So 2, your job is like, hey, number 3, come set I got a screen for you. Go to the corner. We want people thinking 3 is getting a wide open shot here. Then what's going to happen is 4 and 5 are going to pinch screen or elevator screen number 2. So they are squeezing the crap out of number 2, Shakira's player, for a wide open 3 right here. If, again, this one is called Oregon when we pinch screen through here. And we haven't learned this one yet, but it'll be a great opportunity for us to run that, and maybe even against our next coming games, I can write that up and you guys can see it and be able to do it. So that is Oregon. For right now, those are the man sets that we are going to have. Throughout January and stuff like that, we might add some more sets in. But for right now, these are our man plays. When teams play man against us, this is what we will be running, including 4-game and 5-game as well. But you guys all know that. So, all right. Thanks for watching.